Ramadan nights are not meant to be wasted, but they are also not meant to be misunderstood. Today's reminder is about sleeping wisely so we don't lose the most blessed moments of the night and early morning. During the nights of Ramadan, it is necessary to allocate some time for sleep. When this is done properly, the way is open to benefit more effectively from extremely valuable moments, such as the time between Fajr prayer and sunrise, or the moments before suḥūr. Otherwise, a person who stays awake the entire night without sleeping will end up spending those blessed moments, such as the time from Fajr until sunrise, asleep, and will be deprived of the barakah of that time. Ramadan is not about exhausting the body. It is about organizing our time to benefit from moments filled with mercy. Sleep enough to worship better. Protect the hours of barakah. Do not trade blessed time for heedlessness. If this reminder helped you, like the video, comment below. Which time do you try to protect most in Ramadan? Subscribe to Light of IMAN and stay with us for day 9 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah grant us wisdom in how we use our time.